Hi, in this video we are going to see in a Spring Security in Spring Boot application. When we integrate Spring Security, then in a console default web security password is generated. So we can start the application and see in log generated security password. So currently I want to remove this security password. So before we need to configure user credential in a Spring Security. So when we configure user credential, then it will remove from here. So I open web security classes, which is a configuration classes, and here I enable user credential, admin and user. So we see the web security is a configuration classes and an enable web security and method security. So here one bit all defined here, user detail service, admin and user do credential, and the second bin is security filter chain. In this filter chain we add the course configuration and request method configuration. So here I user detail added, so I close it, and now I restart the application and check out in console. It will again generated or not. So after adding the user credential, it will remove from the console. So this way we can remove default security password of Spring Security.